Heart Trust. The separation of Heart from the Ministry of Education is indeed baffling. And now Heart is in the Prime Minister's office, and there has been constant failings, including what some of the unrest that we're seeing in the media today. However, grand announcements re Heart tuition and admin fees being removed is fool's gold. Fool's gold, everybody's excited about it, but so is everybody excited about fool's gold. Hanover is an example. The Prime Minister announced that up to level 4, tuition fees and admin fees will be removed. That's great. Let's see now. We need to go no further than pronouncements made in today's Observer. What does the pronouncement say in today's Observer? Managing Director of Heart Trust, NTA, Dr. Tanisha Ingleton, in the article titled Heart Ready to Grow, Ingleton told the Jamaica Observer that based on the announcements, the entity will be expecting a loss of $58.7 million. So $58.7 million reduction in institutional income. She went further to state that the target pre-announcement was 117,000 enrollments. Quick calculation shows that $58 million in losses is $502 per person. $502 per person. The Prime Minister came with a $1 trillion budget, made a big song and dance, when the vast majority of people were paying nothing in the first place. There were only admin fees for level 2 and 3. And if you pay one time, you don't pay again. And then at level 4, only some courses had a fee of 20,000, maximum 60,000. The ones that have the largest fee, level 5, is not up to level 4. But it is celebrated because we all want something to happen for these young people. What value is this grand announcement? 58 million in a $1 trillion budget? Yes, because what it's doing now is set us up to castigate the youths that them worthless when nothing has changed for them. Nothing has changed. Now there is a waiting list currently. Let us look at one of them that train for the major industry that we have. That is hotel and tourism, Runaway Bay. They have a waiting list of approximately 2,000 people currently. Before the excitement and the this and the that, they have a waiting list. No, with all the new hotels that we build, there should be a second Heart like Runaway Bay to expand that training.